Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. You know what? We started with our economic calendar as always. So what's really happening on our economic calendar? You can see that, okay, this week from Tuesday, we were actually busy. We were seriously busy with some economic news. So we had CPI, which went crazy high, and that made the dollar to gain that momentum. The dollar was just flying. So fast forward, we were on Thursday and we had some retail sales. I like the numbers. So you can see that the numbers last month, it was 4%, actually 0.4%. The estimate guessed it right. They said it's going to be like 0.2. Guess what? It was negative 0.6. Negative 0.6. On the retail sales, the first one is core. On the retail sales, previously it was 4. They said it's going to be a negative 0.8. Guess what? It was seriously worse. Negative 0.8. Sorry, the only problem here is they mixed our news here. And you can see that it's jobless claim. And jobless claims, when the numbers are going down, it's actually good. When the numbers are going down, it's actually good. So we see that the estimate was 219K, and now the numbers were actually 212K, 212,000. So today we actually on core PPI, producer price. So this is also important, quite similar to CPI, because this gauges the prices that the manufacturer price. Like, this is the manufacturer's price before it reaches the consumer. If maybe they're producing this laptop and maybe previously it was, let's say it was 10K and now maybe it's 11K, it means that it shows that actually there is a price increase and that is actually sort of inflation. This will also affect the CPI there, also affects the retail sales here. Simple as that. But anyways, we will be going deeper on this. I will just have a maybe Thursdays or something like this where I will just talk about fundamentals, right? So before we continue again, remember, from today we have a special. I will be showing you the special, so don't miss that. So when I check the actually the CNBC website from yesterday, I saw that there was stuff going on. Britain and Japan, I think they are on this recession thing. I don't know if it's already on the recession or they are very closer to the recession, because I think their GDP was very, very low. So that is actually bad for them. So you will see some effects after that. You can go through that and read some stuff there, because I can't go through everything. I'm just trying to summarize everything for you, right? So guys, please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. You're not losing anything by doing that. So before we continue, we will be starting with Bitcoin from now on. So on our special here we have our pamphlet here. So let's push it and see. Let's see. So you can see that actually everything is still as normal. You can see that. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to give you some very nice special. So lifetime from now on until month end, by the way, but it's limited. If the people that I want are going to join like very quick, it means we might not really reach that month end. So lifetime is going to be 150 for a limited people, and then yearly is going to be $80, from $280 to $80. And 6 months is going to be $50. And 3 months is going to be $30. I hope you see that. So let's go through that again. 3 months, you can see that our 3 months is actually $80, right? So we push that to $30. 6 months, it was $150. Now it's $50. Yearly or 12 months, yes, we did have some special here and there, but it was the normal price is $280. You can get that for $80. Our lifetime, this is one is crazy, from 450 to actually 150, but it's limited, guys. It's limited. So you'll let me know if maybe you want to be that part of that team. Just let me know. Just let me know, because yeah, that special is not going to stay here longer. So what's really happening? What's really happening? You can easily see that, yeah, we are actually on Bitcoin. What's really happening on Bitcoin? You can see that, yes, the market is actually, what's really happening? Okay. I think this thing doesn't really want to work very well. But anyways, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I have some new tools, guys. So that's why the market is giving this things is just giving me some stress here. So, but what's really happening? I wanted to make it full screen. Okay. No, it's fine. So what's really happening here is we are on Bitcoin. What you can see that the market is actually flying on Bitcoin. So if we try to zoom, let's try to zoom this, you will see. If we try to zoom this, you will see that this Bitcoin, it's actually flying. I saw 3 days ago it was on 50K, which is it's good. It broke the 50K mark, but from previously there, you can see that the market has been pushing to the upside. So which means we are going to adjust our trends line so that we can actually have some proper lines. But you can see that this was the highest area, not really the like highest, but this was a nice highest that we saw, very closer to that 50K, but I think it reached 49 and started to reverse. Then what do we see now? We see that the market continued to reach this area and break out, and this breakout is the one that actually reached this 50K. So anyways, on this I will be going deeper on the next sessions, especially on the weekly analysis. So don't worry much. So we will be actually going on this. So let's go to the next one, which is actually DXY. Actually, this is where we start. This is where we start our thing. So what's really happening? We can see that on DXY, guys, we have a very nice structure, and it seems like the market was actually reversing. The market was reversing yesterday, and that it's actually good. So we don't know if maybe this will continue like that or not. But what I see here, or what we know is, yes, the market was on a very nice downtrend previously. So we saw the market going down, very nice. We had this breakout. I did talk about this level here. So what I see here is, it seems like the market is reversing, but let's go there because we don't really want to see any crazy move, and then we don't really want to fall for fake breakouts, so the fake movements or fake reversals. So what I see here is, first thing first, we are still on this uptrend. You can see that, yes, the market did respect these areas very nice. And also this one here, the market did actually respect that. So this was a nice breakout. The market did break out of that. But the question is, the market might create something. You see this level, the market can create something there, and then we might have something like this. It's possible. Unless if maybe the market wants to do what? If the market breaks this resistance, now support, you can see that if the market breaks this area, that is going to be funny. I mean, that is going to be nice, because now it means that the dollar will be losing some serious momentum. And I seriously like that because on the retail sales, we saw the numbers were starting to go down. And that is actually good, because that also balances with that CPI that we saw, which it was very hot. But it's understandable. If you still remember, or not if you still remember, sorry. If you remember very well, January people spend enough. It's January. There is kids going to school. They buy laptops. They buy all stuff. They buy uniforms and stuff like that, right? So that automatically it will push the prices to go up. Why? We know that there are some other products which around January they will be going up. Students, whatever, everything that has to relate with student, or they call that back to school, back to university, back to work, whatever, those things they are going to cost. And that is January. So that's why now, going towards Feb, we're going to see the numbers going down. All right. But maybe just because we're going towards Easter, but for now, we're not going to talk about that. We know very well that those numbers, slowly, they're going to go down. And we saw that with retail sales. If retail sales showed us something like that, we know very well that we are going to see the numbers going down. You see, today there is a PPI producer price. If producers are thinking about reducing the prices, why? Because the demand also is going to go down. Because now it's Feb, we no longer have anything. You can't fool us with any holiday. There's no any festive season now. So it means whatever that you're producing is going to go down. Or if you don't actually price the prices nicely, it means people, they're not going to buy those things that much. They will buy the alternatives, but they're not going to buy the usual products, which means producers now, they plan, because they have people who plan about that. So they will be trying to decrease the prices, and then people, they can able to do what? To buy. And if they do that, it means the dollar today, it might actually push lower. But we will see. I might be wrong about this, or maybe these prices will start to go lower maybe next month. It's possible, right? So with that, we will see maybe the numbers starting to reflect on the chart. But things might actually, remember, the one economic news won't change the overall structure. Remember, from this structure, we are actually on a very nice buy or bullish structure. So which means we might expect to see the market continuing. So yes, there is a possibility of the market continuing like that. And I'm expecting something like that to happen. But if that doesn't really happen, it will mean that whatever that I was talking about, producer prices, retail sales, it means they will be going down. And once you understand this DXY or dollar index stuff, it's going to be way too easier for you to understand how other pairs moves, how other economic news connect with each other, right? So yeah, I likely enough, I also remembered something. So on the 500 rands account, guys, so since we had the news and the market was not moving that well, I did not really update or take trades on that. So which means I will, once we take that, I will be resuming on that account, but I will show you on the group. So don't worry if maybe you want to grow that account with me. Yes, it's fine. Let's do that. Let's do that. So what's really happening on USD JPY? We can easily see that yes, the market, it was pushing down very nice. I like to show you this so that you can understand why we say this is actually on an uptrend. So the market was going down. You can see that we had a very nice downtrend. And now the market is pushing to the upside. This is called uptrend for those who don't know, but mostly you know about this, right? So yesterday, the dollar went a little bit weak, but it shows that against JPY, the dollar is still very, very strong. The dollar is very, very strong. Remember, on the CNBC, I showed you CNBC. They were talking about Japan, right? Japan, that they are on a recession, right? Technical recession, I don't understand that. But that means that there are few stuff going on, few activities from the economy. Economy can produce, there's people very low, like people, there's, let me just explain this because I started with that. So when we say maybe the country is going on recession, it means that mostly the companies are laying off jobs, right? jobs. Let me just say jobless, and which means we can't produce enough, right? Consumer prices or produce, let's say goods are going down, and they are going to be expensive because now people who were making the same products, if maybe it was 100 people, now maybe it's 20 people who are producing that. So now they work extra time because they can't produce enough goods. So even the prices are going to go up. Unfortunately, already the inflation has been up, and already interest rate was already up. You can't cut the rates when the economy is not doing good like that. So it means you don't really have any choice. You want to increase the rates, but recession is on your neck. So which means production is very slow. People can't buy stuff, and things are like everything's just going down. Actually, it's just like that. So, but you can just go and read about this stuff, guys. I can try to explain to you, but if I explain everything here, we're gonna take the whole day. But I think it's gonna help one or two people. That's what I like. You see, some they'll say, Kenzo, move to the next analysis. Yeah, I understand. I understand. So now we are on USD JPY. We can easily see that JPY was not really that stronger, and if it was, we're going to see a nice reversal when the retail sales was on negative for the dollar, but that did not really happen. So what we are going to do here is we have two options. We have this support area from back there, you can see. So whether the market can reach this area, then we can look for that buy, or maybe the market will break this resistance, then we can continue buying. We have two options. So which means now we just think about this uptrend. We are on an uptrend, so which means we are thinking about buying only. Buying or going long. Let's say long. We're going long, guys. You see, guys, I just upgraded my stuff here. I enjoy doing this analysis, so I'm no longer just going up and down with working mouse, because mouse makes you to be slower, and it's not actually a nice movement. It's like you drawing with a potato, you know. It's like this, then you have to try to move around with that, and that's not really good, right? So but when you have something like a pen, it just make your job very easy. So now we are on GBPUSD, guys. GBPUSD, what's really happening? We saw this trend. The market was going down for quite some time, like previously. Now what do we see? We see that the market is now actually on this uptrend, but the market is now trying to do what? To change that trend to push the upside, because the dollar is gaining some momentum starting from few days ago because of that CPI, because we know very well that Jerome Powell or FOMC, they said that they're not going to increase the rates anytime soon. That was the another thing that made dollar to be stronger, because rates are still high. Another problem, another nail on the coffin, it was CPI. The numbers were up, and that just made the market to sell aggressively. So what we see here is we were on a very nice uptrend. You saw that the market was moving very nice. Now we have this breakout. This breakout shows that no, the dollar, it was very stronger. But just because we have some mixed economic news, some they will try to reverse. But what we know very well is, since the market just broke out of this, it means we have to look for this downtrend. But now the market is consolidating. We are waiting for the market to do what? To break out of this support. Now we can then we can join. We can jump on that sell, as we are on a downtrend, right? So unless if maybe the market breaks this support area, then we will continue looking for that buy, because it will be showing us that the market is trying to do what? To push back to that uptrend. Yeah, you see. So let's push to the next one. And guys, for those who don't know, we did smash the market very nice. We did smash the market. Nasdaq, US30, S&P 500. Even though we said, yeah, maybe Monday, Tuesday, the market went against us during the news. Hey, we smashed the market, yo. So, but anyways, let's see what's really happening on Euro USD. Euro USD has been pushing up very nice. I just removed that support area because it was pushing like this, I think. Yeah, it was something like that. So now we are on this. So I'm focusing on this actually now. I hope you understand that. So let's go there. Let's go on that. Let's zoom. Let's zoom this. Let's zoom this. You see, guys, if you want to enjoy analyzing, get a pen for your PC or for your Mac. So that pen is gonna work some magics, but you have to get used to that. So what's really happening here is we see that the market has been trying to break out of that support area. It was around that area. So now we see very well that now the market is actually doing what? The market is actually consolidating. So can we buy or can we sell? No. Already the market broke out. So when the market breaks out, it means that the market is trying to show us that now I'm on a downtrend. Just because the market says we are breaking out and we look like we are going to push down, right? Or go down, it doesn't really mean that just jump on the market already. You see, we tried to jump on the market here, but the market reversed. So now, which it means this support area, we're going to place it here. Sometimes the market can play like that. So I saw this one here, and actually to me that can be a very nice sell. But since we are in this ranging structure, it's going to be difficult for me to say just take that. So because now we're going to have something like that. So which means we're just going to wait for the market to do what? To show us that, you know what, I'm seriously going to, because there is a chance for the market to break out here. So for us to be safe, let's wait for the market to do its consolidation structures. Then if it breaks out, then we can say, even if you consolidate around below this area, it's fine. We are now away from that breakout. Then we're going to jump on that sell. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. Gold did the same thing actually. So let's reduce this. Guys, I am enjoying this now. I'm enjoying analyzing. You can't understand what the smoothness of this thing that I'm using. So now we are on gold. What's really happening? We can see that yes, the market was pushing to the upside. Very nice. We were pushing to the upside. You can see that the market was uptrending. Very nice. The market was going up. So with that, the market was going up. Let me check if I'm still recording. Okay, we are still on 23 minutes. That's fine. So you saw that the market was pushing up very nice, but we had this breakout. That breakout shows us that, you know what, the dollar was very strong, and it seems like the market will now start to go on that downtrend. So what can we do? No, we've been in the market, so we can't just jump on the market unnecessarily. There are other days or other weeks where we're just supposed to wait. Actually, we never had we did not really have enough trades this week, but there is a reason behind it, because these breakouts or these moves that we had, the market just broke out, and we know very well, mostly when the market breaks out, it's going to give us this consolidation structure. So this shows that the market did a breakout, but it seems like the market doesn't really have that continuation of momentum. That's why we see this consolidation. If the market breaks the support area, then we will say, yes, now the market is on that sell momentum or bearish momentum. But there is a chance that the market can do what? Then the market can still push the upside. So what will you do? What will you say? We will say, oh, that was a fake breakout. No. It was not. It was not fake breakout, because the market lasted for maybe more than 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. So it's not a fake breakout. The market was just adjusting the trend. Then we're going to try to use that. So if it continues, yes, we're going to say now we are going to look for that buy again. If it breaks this support, for that sell again, we want to look for that sell. Simple as that. But for now, we are looking for that sell as the market is no longer on that uptrend. I hope we are on the same page. I hope you understand. So now what's really happening? We are actually on US30. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is still flying, guys. Let's close in the group, but the take profit was hit there. So there's no point telling you you should close. So I will also show you maybe what we do in the group. Or let me just show you now. Okay, yeah, here it's the stuff that I was sending to my people. You can see that we smashed US sparking S&P 500. I also told them to close. This was Nasdaq. Nasdaq it's been playing, but we were in profit. I told them to close. Yesterday, what? I can't move around. Okay. So yesterday we also had DXY. I was talking about DXY. What's really happening there? We also had EURUSD. We had some, hey guys, we had some very nice stuff going on there. So I'm just trying to show you how we send the signal. So these were just updates, only the updates on the trades that we took. So yeah, and you can see here, this is S&P 500 before it pushes to the upside. Another one is US30 before it pushes to the upside. You can see that we did smash that. And also Nasdaq before it flies like that. So you can see that all these things were sent in the group. So now we are on this US30. You can easily see that yes, we did actually smash that. So that's why I say, you see, when you join the team, you know that you are joining some very nice stuff. You can see our TP was around this level. The market reached that. Obviously they are out that it's like 10 out of 10 is TP, but sometimes the market won't reach these levels very quick, which is something that you're supposed to understand. So since we are on US30 and we already touched the profit, so it means we're just waiting for the market to break this level. If it doesn't really break, it means the market might actually bounce back to this support area. Maybe it will play around. So don't worry, I will be updating everyone who is in the team. So, and we also have that special. So on Nasdaq, you can also, or let's just go on that special. So on this special is quite straightforward, guys. We have a special from lifetime from $450. You can join that by $150, limited by the way. And we have yearly from $280 to $80. We're saving $200 there. 6 months from $150 to, actually this is crazy, to $50. So which means you're saving $50. 3 months you're saving $50 because you're going to pay only $30. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So this is going to be limited for very few people. So yeah. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? You can see that yeah, the market has been pushing up very nice. The market has been going up very nice. So we have this nice uptrend. The market has been uptrending. So today I just told my people, guys, let's just get out. This thing has been respecting or not moving very nice around that level. Yes, we are in profit, but I saw that the market has been playing games around similar areas. You see this area, I think it was the highest area, that the lowest area before, because if I still remember this area, I tried to use that as a support previously. But now it seems like the market is struggling to break that since yesterday. So it's better for us to get out, even though we had a TP there. But the market doesn't really owe us anything. As long as we made something, that's better than nothing. So yeah, we're already halfway there. So extra profit, it's enough for me. So that's why we took that out. So we'll see for some updates if maybe we need to see, I think if maybe the market will be breaking out, we'll be ready to take another buy, or maybe the market will reverse, then we will be looking for another buy. As we are on an uptrend, we're not going to look for any type of a sell or something like that. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.